Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 BMW X6. Again, this isn't straightforward. Whoever thought of this wants a good hiding, for want of a better phrase. So, I'll show you. If we go to music, let's say, days like this, Van Morrison. So we'll click play. I'm going to turn this down. You see at the bottom there, if I click on the silver triangle and the circles there, you've got a choice: iPhone, BMW. So with that tick there, this is paired to the audio system. Whatever you play through this phone, whatever audio, whether you're watching a YouTube video or it's Spotify or Amazon Prime Music or iTunes, the audio will come through the system if you have it set right. Now then, if we go to media, here we go, we'll click on media. We'll just go back across there until you get the menu up here. CD, DVD, music collection, external devices, TV, tone, Bluetooth audio. Now you would think that, let's bring that screen back, you would think that you would need to go to Bluetooth audio. So you go to Bluetooth audio, click on that, and there you go, Barry's iPhone there, but there's no music coming out. That's turned up. There's no music coming out. But the issue is that's not the screen you want. You don't want Bluetooth audio, which is, again, BMW designers, insane. So back, and then we wind it up to external devices. Click on external devices and now select Barry's iPhone 12 or whatever your phone's called. So that's it. We'll turn that up, and when I turn this up, so that's how you play music or stream music from your phone through the system.